With 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This is 3/4 cup of cornmeal. Cornmeal or corn grits. Mura lang yung ganito sa online. Like sa Shopee, I bought this for around 79 pesos. 2 kilos na yun marami na siya. So online, very mura lang. This is 3/4 cup of sugar. 3/4 cup of sugar, white sugar. 4 teaspoon of baking powder. Or 20 grams of baking powder. So, itong mga dry ingredients natin, i-mix natin muna siya. Okay. Next, we're going to add, this is water from the corn kernel can na malaki. Okay, so yung water galing doon sa corn kernel. Ayan, so buso natin yung 1 cup. Okay, and mix natin ulit before adding the next ingredient. 3/4 cup of evaporated milk. Next, 3/4 cup of melted butter. 1 piece of egg, whole egg. Then mix natin ulit. Then ito optional lang to ha. I'm adding yellow food color. So 1 teaspoon lang ilalagay ko. I'm adding yellow color para mas mukha talagang corn muffin siya. Next, i-add na natin itong 1 can of corn kernel. Okay, yung malaki. Okay. Ayan, tapos mix lang natin ulit. Ayan, so meron tayong muffin pan. And gagawin natin is we will grease this. Okay, para hindi dumikit yung ating muffin. So, ayan, grease lang natin. Pwede nyo rin tunawin yung butter tapos pahid nyo. Pero ako ganito na lang, okay? So, i-grease nyo siya all over. Ayan, so pinuno natin yung mixture, yung corn batter sa loob. And maglalagay tayo ng additional corn sa taas, on top. Ayan, ganyan lang. Okay. Yan, so we're going to bake this at a preheated oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 10 minutes. Tapos, hihinaan natin ng konti yung apoy to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 minutes. So, for a total of 20 minutes lahat.